Good morning, everyone. I hope so you all are fine and you are doing very well your work also. So till now we have done exercise 5.6. So today we have to start exercise 5.5, but before starting that exercise I want to discuss with you that divisibility rules. So actually, what are the divisibility rules? In this now without actual division we can find out the given number is divisible by the other given number or not. So what actually is, a number is said to be divisible by another number if there is no remainder left in the division process, right? Divisibility rules help us to check whether a number is divisible or not by the given number without actual division, right? So firstly we will see the number, then we will check with the divisibility rule, and then only we can tell the number is divisible by the given number or not. So the first rule is divisibility rule of 2. So what the rule is saying, if the digit at the ones place is even or 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the given number is divisible by 2. So how much long given number to you, right? Suppose this is the number 11,254. So only without doing the actual division we will see the last digit only. So last digit is 4, right, at ones place. So 4 is divisible by 2. You can check this is an even number, or you can check out of these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 4. So yes, 4 is divisible by 2. That's why the complete number is divisible by 2, right? Like this way we can check. Now divisibility rule of 3. What the rule is saying, if the sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Whatever the number is given, what you will do, add all the digits, like 453. So before doing the solution, if that your rough practice, like what you will do, just add all the digits, like 4 plus 5 plus 3. So what will come? 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So yes, the complete number is divisible by 3. Now divisibility rule of 4. The given number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are 0 or divisible by 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, right, so it means the number is divisible by 4. Like the number last two digit is 0 or divisible by 4. These two conditions should be there. So here you can see 4200. So last two digits are 0. So it means the complete number is divisible by 4. One more example here, like this is 1224. So just see the last two digit 24. Yes, 24 is divisible by 4. It means the complete number is divisible by 4. Now divisibility rule of 5 is so simple. What you will see, the given number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, right? So whatever the number is given, you should see the last digit only. If last digit is 0 or 5, so the complete number is divisible by 5. So I look here 255. So last is 5. It means complete number is divisible by 5. In this 450, last digit is 0. So the complete number is divisible by 5. Yes. Now the divisibility rule of 6. The given number is divisible by 5 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. If suppose this is the number 48. So 48, firstly we will check this is divisible by 2. Then we will check divisible by 3. If by both number it is divisible, so it means the given number is divisible by 6. So 48, last digit is 8, so divisible by 2. 4 plus 8, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. It means 40 is divisible by 2 and by 3 also. That's why this 48 is divisible by 6, right? Now divisibility rule of 9. This is same as divisibility rule of 3. In this also we will add all the digits of the number. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, it means the complete number is divisible by 9. Like 729. So add 7 plus 2 plus 9. What is coming? 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. So the complete number is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10 is so simple. In this we just have to see the last digit should be 0. If the last digit of the given number is 0, it means the complete number is divisible by 10. So 2550, last digit is 0. It means this number is divisible by 10, right? So please everyone do the practice of the divisibility rules. Learn these rules. These rules we will help us to solve the exercise that 5.7, right everyone? So please do the practice of the same.